3, 2, 1. What up, dreamers? Dream chasers, dream achievers, vagabonds, nomads. How we doing? Ugh, messy bus. How are we doing? How's your technology? Is it all failing at the same time like mine? That just goes to show you. Don't trust big tech. Something else failed of mine. I'm too upset to even talk about it. Something very expensive of mine is potentially broken. I'm in the process of fixing it, possibly. But I'm about to lose my mind and just stop buying stuff. From now on, if something of mine breaks, I just am done with that item. I'm not buying the newer one. I'm just either fixing the old one for as cheap as possible, or just giving up on that area of my life. Today we're going to a group ride. The Minnesota Electric Riders are holding a group ride, 15 miles on a bike path. We're gonna make some new friends. We're gonna ride some stuff. Whoa, millions. Look at all these people. Oh man, no Surons. Where's all Surons at? What's up, guys?
I want one.
Hey, dude.
Hey, how's it going?
Man, how you doing? What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan. Alex. Nice to meet you. Sweet bike.
Thank you.
Where is he? We have a Suron victim here tonight.
Oh yeah?
He's riding a scooter with a milk crate on it.
Oh yeah?
He fell on his left leg and broke something.
Oh man.
I'm thinking about buying a Suron, but I have an expensive EUC coming, so...
Oh yeah, I want to start riding those.
Well,
It seems like the best power to weight ratio.
that's for sure.
Yeah.
Like, these things are so capable for extreme fun. But like the guy with the one that's making all the noise, he's probably the most extreme rider here.
Nice. I heard you're a victim.
Yeah, I was a victim.
Well, nice ride though.
Yeah, I figured it out. It's a mountain.
Damn. What happened to you?
I tried to take it off a 3-foot ledge.
Yeah.
And the front tire made it over, and the back tire just like skidded across the ledge.
It
So I went
tasted
over
or whatever.
Yeah, and then it landed on my leg.
People ever give you shit when you're on the bike path?
I've had one guy give me shit, but it's really fun.
Yeah.
I don't have too many issues.
You never, no run-ins with the police on the road?
Not really. No. Not if my buddy in Eclair has, but I haven't had any issues here. I know this was actually the night I broke my leg. We were riding by the state fairgrounds, and we were at a stop sign for like a little bit so cars could go by and shit. And there was a cop staring straight at me. And one of the other one-wheelers was next to him, and he goes, "It doesn't look like a bicycle." And he goes, "It's a bicycle." Thank God the one-wheeler just like piped in. I'm like, all right.
Oh no, it's a bicycle.
It's a bicycle.
No.
Oh, okay, another out-of-stater or something?
Well, I'm from here. I was raised here, but I live in California.
Oh, okay. I saw the LA East gate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You follow those guys?
Yeah, there's quite a few of them
Flux motion
Surons
ride.
out there. They're starting to get some fucking shit from the park patrol and other shit.
Dude, I bet. Surround people are squirrely.
Yeah. I seen one video where everybody else had to walk their bike out except for the one guy that had the pedal kit on his.
Oh, I think I know.
Pedals. Okay, well you can go with that.
The frickin' shredder.
Right. So
You're talking about Kevin, the frickin' shredder.
yeah, they walk out a little bit. They're like, okay, whatever. Cops trying to watch them. Once they're out of sight, they're just like, gone.
Yep.
Fucking law.
Okay. New group, new zip code, same Suron. Oh yeah. That looks like a fast bike.
Last time I was through here, there was a homeless guy who had his tent set up.
should have just sensed we were going.
Nice. I really should get my 360 out, huh? Oh man. Whoa. They have their own crew. Analog crew. Very large analog crew.
Sir, on.
Hey, yep. Whoa. Oh, sorry. I just missed that.
So much fun than we are. Was that a
Suron, yes. I missed that poor guy's high five. I hate that. I did not mean to miss your high five, brother. Whoa, look at this. Don't mind if I do. Jump, a little jump is all I need in my life. Just one little jump a day is all I need. And an amazing van life spot. What is this? Wow. Oh, this is for, I bet this closes. Oh God, now see, you gotta look for park close signs. Wow, that's the spot. This is the spot for me while I'm down here. We're out here in Bloomington. Bloomington, same city that the Mall of America is in. Which is not the biggest mall in America anymore, but it was at one point. Who do you think vapes more, Honda Civic owners or mono wheel riders? Let me know down below. What was that? What in the fuck is that noise? Nice. I was hoping somebody was gonna hit that.
Such a rough approach.
Don't spill your IPA.
5 miles per hour.
Is that an old Lime scooter?
Might be.
That, my first EV was a stolen bird scooter.
Yeah, I definitely have a stolen bird scooter.
I just got rid of it recently. I know.
Buddy, I'm like, yo, can I borrow that scooter? He's like, yeah, it just sits in my garage. I'm like, sweet.
I just wish I would have stolen more.
Yeah.
Back when they were easier to steal.
Yeah, now they're hard to steal.
My buddy had one and he crashed it and it was like mangled. I turned it into a drift trike.
Well, that'd be fun.
I put a little axle in the rear with casters on it, and I just put the handlebars down low. It was sick.
I think a drift truck would be really, really fun to make.
Just no power.
Yeah, there's just no power there, yeah.
You know, nice and slow is not always bad. Mashing through downtown LA is very fun. But when the weather's nice and you're on a nice slow bike path, no road rage, possible Karen rage. Actually, try not to say that word anymore. But, you know, much less anxiety on the bike path with a crew. Danger! Nice! Having a two-pedaled bike, a tandem bike, is like upgrading your surround battery. It's like doubling your power. Well, maybe not. You're adding weight too. Oh, he's got an e-bike for sure. Hey, good vibes. I think I used to work over here. I used to be a valet, and they would put me in all these weird places. I think I worked there. I think this used to be a Subaru dealership. And nobody ever came in. Nobody needs their car valeted while they look at cars. But they paid us. And then you'd work at nice restaurants and you'd get hella tips. And you were running non-stop all day, every day, so you could eat whatever you want. And the restaurant owners would sometimes give you plates of food. Oh, that was actually a low-key cool job. Whoa, this is the charge spot. Nice, little break time. Where's the rest of your bike?
I wish I had a good comeback.
I'm just kidding. Okay, nice little break at the old pizza bar. I had one 10-ounce IPA, 9% alcohol, 20 minutes ago. You do the math. I feel functional. Are we heading directly into this cloud of absolute demon Satan hell? This cloud is concerning to me. Is anyone else concerned by this? Guys, cloud. Nice. We got the whole crew.
Stop that shit.
Kickflip. Do a kickflip.